happier story. She did it. 11-year-old Victoria Van Meter entered the history books this afternoon, and she did it by landing in San Diego. News 8's Jody Hammond was part of the welcoming party at Montgomery Field.
28 left, clear to land, 02
That?
Yes.
That's
right.
That's it.
That's her.
Designated 02 uniform, Montgomery ground, taxi to transit parking. Congratulations. 02 uniform, thank you.
smooth as silk, touching down like an old pro. But the pilot at the controls is anything but old. And that's the reason 11-year-old Vicki Van Meter got such a big reception. Leaving Augusta, Maine, Monday, she broke 3 records by reaching San Diego, including becoming the youngest female pilot to fly across the country. Her flight instructor accompanied her.
I feel good about what I've done, but we didn't think there would be this much people.
There were plenty of tributes, including keys to the city and a handshake from Shamu. The aspiring astronaut handled it all with poise and modesty.
It doesn't really matter what age you are, it just matters what you think and how you feel. You can, if you put your mind to anything, you can accomplish it.
Maybe the most impressive thing about Vicki, aside from her accomplishments as a pilot, is that this 11-year-old really has it together on the ground, even when surrounded by reporters.
We're proud of her, but I think we've grown in respect for her. We've always respected her, but this is quite amazing.
Except to Vicki, who next week celebrates another milestone, her 1-year anniversary of taking her first flight lesson. Jody Hammond, News 8, Montgomery Field.
And Vicki's flying back to her hometown in Needville, Pennsylvania on, yes, a commercial airliner. But first, she'll stop at the Johnson Space Center in Houston, where she's going to be a special guest. Then it's back, yes, to 6th grade. So do we see an astronaut in the making here?
6th grade. Can you imagine not only being able to be a pilot, but being that poised in front of all those cameras and microphones?
Some of us don't even want to get on a commercial airliner.
If she were flying.
Right.